This assembly is about being out of your comfort zone and adapting to your newfound surroundings. Hello Sedbergh School, I'm reporting to you from the River Lea. I'm just about 2 miles outside of Sedbergh itself, right near to our house where we live currently. Absolutely beautiful day and beautiful music of River Lea in front of us. I've never actually been able to reach this part of the rock because it's usually covered in water. But today, obviously, I can because the river has been so low because we've got very minimal rain here. What it reminded me of was some of my art lessons and actually looking at life from a different perspective. And I'm looking at it from a totally different perspective, coming here every day and yet seeing it from a totally different viewpoint by just standing in a different place to where I would normally stand. I might brave trying to actually get into the river. I've never swam in this part of the river before, but after 2 weeks of coming here almost every day during lockdown, I'm considering that I might actually take a plunge. So I might get back to you in a second. Okay, so this is me now adapting to my newfound surroundings in amongst the midges, which apparently are really good for your skin. It's very midges, really good for the exfoliation purposes. One of the things that we actually really miss across the art and graphics department is seeing the physical work coming together into a final piece idea. And over last weekend, many of the art and graphics pupils have been working tirelessly to actually bring all their beautiful and wonderful creative ideas to fruition. So we'd like to share with you during this assembly the selection of beautiful artwork that the pupils have been working on so diligently. Enjoy.
When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to me you extend it a wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and